61 Scout. Scout 80 anyway. There's the original air filter housing. There's the top. And that was actually an oil bath filter somewhere in there. Yeah, this is oil bath. But this air filter assembly here is no longer available. So here's what I'm gonna do. A piece of junk steel, cleaned it up real nice. I'm gonna put that right over that. And the gasket in there will seal that up. And then what about this? This is a Spectre air filter. And took my drill and drilled a little hole in it right there. And what that's gonna do is fit right over the top. But that bolt inside there is not gonna fit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this 7/16 socket and I'm going to put that in there. It's got a little piece of a nylon hose on it to help it center. I'm going to thread a nut inside here, and then I dug these two areas out right here with a grinder so I can put a spot weld on each side of it. I'll take the bolt out, and then that's going to fit down inside there. And I'm going to take another piece of steel and build a little cross on it. But first I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so it's more even with the top here rather than sticking out.